This is a new era for Galaxy Foldables. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 first user experience is out. And you guys will be surprised to see how many changes that Samsung have made with the Z Fold 4. And that is also confirmed by the first look of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung is going to unpack Z Fold 4 on August 10th along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And after Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 appeared on Amazon, we get an idea when Samsung will start pre-orders. The date is August 10th, same day of its launch. And you can reserve your Galaxy device now from Samsung's official website and get up to $200 credit. Evan Blast shared a screenshot of someone who hands on the Z Fold 4. According to him, both Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 feels like a great upgrade this year. And that guy actually used Z Fold 3 as his daily driver, which means he can tell the minor details. And according to him, the difference is big between the Z Fold 4 and Z Fold 3, especially the hinge and outer display or cover display. And that is what we were talking about in the first look, that his outer display is a bit wider, and the hinge part is very minimal compared to the Z Fold 3. The reason is Samsung using new single hinge design in the Z Fold 4. The fast charger of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is also out, where it gets a certification. According to Anthony, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 25-watt fast charger received FCC certification. And also received Anatel certification for 25-watt fast charger, but it is not confirmed if Samsung will put this adapter in the box or you have to buy it. As according to the image, they mentioned included with your Galaxy, which means we can hope about it. Since Z Fold 3 didn't come with adapter, only cable was in the box. And with this 25-watt fast charger, you can charge your Galaxy Z Fold 4 within just 1 hour. Samsung's new charging algorithm is nice. You don't need a big charger to charge your phone fast. As you guys might know, you will get a credit from Samsung if you pre-ordered the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or any other Galaxy device. But another interesting leak is here. According to Sam Mobile, Samsung is also giving NFTs own pre-orders of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4. But it is not confirmed if this applies on customers outside the South Korea or not. The clock is ticking as we are getting closer to the launch, because we already seen how the Z Fold 4 will look like and what we are getting. And the new era for the Galaxy Foldables are about to start with the Z Fold 4 with the new huge design and new cameras. Do you guys think that Z Fold 4 brings some big upgrades or not? And what do you want to see in the Z Fold 4? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.